Hello friends and welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through the steps of pushing code to a GitHub repository using Git commands. We'll assume that you have a GitHub account and a repository set up. Here are the steps to push code to GitHub using the command line. 1. Open your terminal/command prompt. 2. Initialize a local Git repository in your project directory by running command git init. 3. Add all the files to the repository, git adda. 4. Commit the changes with a commit message using command git commit your commit message. 5. Connect your local repository to the remote repository on GitHub using the command git remote add origin github.com. 6. Push the changes to the remote repository by running git push origin master. Note, replace master with the appropriate branch name if necessary and replace username and repo with your GitHub username and repository name, respectively. And that's it. You've successfully pushed code to a GitHub repository using Git commands. To confirm that the code has been pushed, you can check the repository on GitHub. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the description. Until next time, happy coding! Otherwise, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next.